sagot para yun na yung mga sagot natin. Tapos ipasa. Tapos uwian. Kaya naman daw lahat ng sagot eh.
Agad!
Ay, sa vlog.
Hey kayo sa vlog! Hi kayo sa vlog!
Sinawid ako sa sarili ko. Awa.
It's today, it's today.
Isang papel na lang dun sa tatlo. Today is today is today.
Today is today, is today, is today. Today,
Today is today is today.
today is today, is today.
Yes.
Today is today is today.
Today?
Tomorrow is today after the day. Tomorrow.
Yes.
Ayan, may activity kami ngayong araw. Ibang ginagawa, pero hindi tayo makakauwi agad. Kasi we gagawin tayo practice. Wala nga sa church.
Ay, shit.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
What is the what?
What is marketing research strategy?
Marketing research according to Wikipedia. According to ChatGPT,
According to TikTok University.
that marketing is also marketing. Yeah,
Ano masasabi mo sa marketing?
when you buy something,
Yeah.
you don't have anything. Yes, then
Marketing is marketing research with analysis of research and marketing.
marketing is always marketing. Marketing. Yeah, you know that.
What? According to Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
Pakibak yung ano, PPT. Pakibak. Story. Yung puno.
Kaya nga, napakaganda ng tarpaulin na lang.
Tarpaulin.
Usapan pa daw eh.
At ayun na nga, tuluyan na ako nakauwi mula sa klase na yun. Kaso, hindi pa naman nagtatapos doon. Di ba, nag-video ko sa basement. Kasi, nag-lunch kami doon sa basement ng STI. At hindi kalakihan yun. At hindi ko talaga recommended yung school. Kung nasan ako ngayon. Pero yun, anyway, doon lang natapos yun. Nag-practice kami ng roleplay after lunch. And then, around 3 p.m. saka kami nakauwi ni Cha. At ito lang naman tong vlog na to. Teacher's Day. So, happy Teacher's Day sa lahat ng mga guru ko dyan at sa mga guru natin dyan. At alam ko naman na wala manonood nito dahil bukod sa naka-private, I mean, hindi sa walat, hindi si walat tong YouTube channel ko. Konti lang naman kayong nanonood. Or, for sure, mga kaibigan ko pa kayo o mga, ewan ko, napapadaan lang kayo dito. Yun lang naman, sana naman enjoy kayo sa magulong vlog na to. Pero kung hindi naman, bahala kayo sa buhay.